Coffee and yoga, it's such a combination which doesn't just refresh your mind but your body as well. And to discuss that further, who else better than the ambassador, His Excellency Festival himself, the ambassador of Ethiopia to India, and the beautiful Sanjana John also here. Ambassador, I would definitely want to have a word with you first of all on this very concept of coffee and yoga, and recognizing the power of both the gifts from India and Ethiopia to the world.
Oh yes, both are cultural. At the same time, it has some spiritual touch, and a kind of, you do it individually, the yoga, but you do it collectively. So it is at the same time, together you address your Lord, your body and your spirit. And in Ethiopia, coffee is a bit different. It is like a pastime, also a forum to exchange information, and also guests passing by your neighborhood, your village. You have to give them coffee and ask them what's happening in their place and what they are expecting when they go down the river. So you give them information, and you wash their legs, you give them water, you give them food, you give them coffee to get stronger. Otherwise, the first thing in the morning is coffee, and you have to do it with your village, 4, 5, 6 families, and you exchange information first with your kids and wife, how was last night, and then you ask for the next door, and you ask for the next house, and you exchange information. If there is any problem, you solve there. Okay, you go in between the husband and the wife, the kids and the father, you do it. So it has that cultural element. Also, it is a kind of exchange of information, and to stay awake, and it is to keep ourselves together. And when I see now yoga here, I'm new, but the way they have done it, I have seen, it is both a universal thing, and it is a connection between yourself, your creator, and your spirit and your body. And it's also a part of exercise. It tests your strength and how you stretch yourself. Both things rejuvenate you. It is wonderful. So it is the contribution of India to the world, and the coffee, it is the contribution of Ethiopia to the world. So the people, Madam and my deputy ambassador, when they come to bring this, to merge these two together, I'm very happy.
It's amazing. As we all know, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has propagated the last decade, bringing the best of our culture, yoga, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. When we say that, that's what Narendra Modi ji has brought to the world. And today, of course, the brotherhood with Ethiopia. We bought coffee with yoga, which is something very unique. We started this 10 years ago at the UN in New York. And in fact, I was there when the first yoga stamp was released. And here we are, 10 years later, with this amazing integration of diplomacy and bringing the world together, unifying, thanks to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of bringing the best to the world. And now, coffee with yoga to the world.
They have given the chance to come here and take the session. I have read this title, Coffee and Yoga. So they told us that coffee has started from the Ethiopian side. So kahin na kahin, agar main baat karun, to on the daily basis, person usually drink coffee, but we never refer. Coffee is good for the even cardiac region also, but yoga is good for your mind, your calmness level. If you do regular practice of yoga, so you will be charged, and if you need instant charge, you can drink a small cup of coffee.
ये देखिए, चलिए योगा को अपर हैंड डेफिनेटली मानते हैं। दो यहाँ पर एमएससी के स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं, जैसा आपने बताया। क्या नाम है आपका?
हिमांशु सर।
हिमांशु, कैसा लगता है जब आप योग के एम्बेसडर बनकर देश विदेश के जाते हैं और लोगों के सामने अपनी इस कला को रखते हैं? गर्व महसूस होता है?
बहुत सर।
इसको आगे फॉलो करने की जरूरत है सब लोगों को भारत में?
सर, योगा एक आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग है, सबको ही करना चाहिए। इट्स नॉट फॉर ओनली वन पर्सन और या किसी डिजीज से रिलेटेड है, सबके लिए।
बिल्कुल। आपको कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन मिला इस चीज के लिए?
सर, मैं भी खुद योग में खुद को ढूंढने नहीं आया था, एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू आया था, लेकिन जब देखा कि एक्सरसाइज से ज़्यादा है, योग खुद से जोड़ता जा रहा है और हम बहुत ही अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ जो हमारी डेली परफॉर्मेंस थी वो भी बेटर हो रही है। सो आई कनेक्ट विद योगा एंड कंटिन्यूइंग द योगा।
कंटिन्यू, बिल्कुल। एक और यहाँ पर यंग हमारे साथ टैलेंट है, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम खुशी मित्तल है।
खुशी मित्तल।
नाम है एमएससी स्टूडेंट।
एमएससी स्टूडेंट हैं आप। ओके खुशी, योगा से आप इस यंग एज से जुड़ी हुई हैं। हमारे जैसे जो 40 के बियॉन्ड जो लोग हैं, वो बिल्कुल ही एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हैं, तो क्या कुछ आसान से शब्दों में आप हमें बताएंगे योगा क्यों हमें कर लेना चाहिए और आसानी से कैसे फायदा है?
For your daily healthy living, you should do yoga because as we see this hustle bustle life, so we have to do yoga. Yoga is the art of living, as he said.
Right.
So you should follow yoga.
Lilith, one final question. 1 month down the line, we have International Yoga Day. What is the plan?
Ministry of Ayush are doing at the higher level of their pace, because from the last 10 years they have done brilliant and huge programs. So now this time they are going to do the 10 programs almost in a line, like one is a Harit Yoga. This kind of 10 programs they are going to design, and you are going to see in coming weekends or coming weeks.
Coffee and yoga are one things which go hand in hand origin wise. This coffee goes with Ethiopia, and yoga is a gift to the world from India. So we are doing this series of International Day of Yoga and Harit Yoga events with Ministry of Ayush. So this is one of the event we are doing in here. Another we have done in multiple locations, one in Atmantan, one in Goa, one in IHM, and forthcoming we have been doing Yoga Sangam also with Ministry of Ayush, just to commemorate the International Yoga Day. And as for the coffee, you have to know everybody loves coffee. Everybody loves yoga as well, since it's become a daily practice of life.
Absolutely.
So combinedly saying that let's go well hand in hand and both give energy to the body.
Yes, body and mind.
Body and mind.
Ministry of Ayush, very important, well respected, and also possibly completing almost a decade, because I remember 2014 when Prime Minister Modi came to power. 2015 the World International Yoga Day also started, and then Ministry of Ayush also came into being. So how important do you think this gift, the soft power that India has demonstrated to the world is, and vis-a-vis the Ministry of Ayush also?
We started way long back when the lockdown happened and virtual yoga used to happen.
Right.
So with the first day of the happening, we are with Ministry of Ayush doing this yoga. And seeing the decades it has happened, the answer is in itself because of the feedback of the people, the kind of response we have gathered from internationally, worldwide acknowledged bodies. This activity is going good at a good pace.
Okay. Lovely. Payal, thank you so much for speaking to One India. We extend our heartiest wishes to you, your team at Ministry of Ayush, FHRAI also in collaboration with Ministry of Ayush. And also for those who are watching this, please try yoga. International Yoga Day is just around the corner in a month's time, on 21st of June, if I'm not wrong.
Join you on Yoga Sangam, which we are going to at 21st June with Ministry of Ayush and MDNI.
Perfect. You heard it from Payal itself. Thanks for watching this broadcast. One India gets you the latest from India and the world.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.